Navigating the vast and ever changing landscape of Amazon can be overwhelming for sellers looking to find profitable products and reliable suppliers. The key to success on Amazon lies in identifying winning products, understanding market trends, and forming strong supplier relationships, all of which are essential for staying ahead of the competition. This is where SmartScout comes in. SmartScout is a powerful tool designed to help Amazon sellers discover profitable products, analyze competitors, and identify reliable suppliers with ease. By leveraging data driven insights and advanced product research features, SmartScout empowers sellers to make smarter business decisions and scale their Amazon businesses effectively. So, whether you're a seasoned Amazon seller or a beginner, SmartScout offers the tools you need to succeed in 2025. In this video, we will walk you through SmartScout's key features, how they benefit your Amazon business, and why it's the go-to tool for finding winning products and suppliers in 2025. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the Amazon Product Research Tool. SmartScout's product research tool provides real-time data on top-selling products, sales estimates, and competitor analysis. It helps you uncover profitable niches and identifies products that have high demand but low competition. This maximizes your chances of success by allowing you to select products with a proven track record of strong sales potential, reducing guesswork and risk. Another key feature is the supplier and manufacturer finder. Smart Scout allows you to search for and identify verified suppliers and manufacturers for your products. It integrates with trusted platforms like Alibaba and global trade databases to give you access to a wide range of suppliers with reliable reputations. This saves time by providing a vetted list of suppliers, helping you quickly find and establish strong supplier relationships for sourcing high quality products. Another key feature is the market and competitor insights. The platform gives detailed insights into your competitors' performance, pricing strategies, and inventory levels. This allows you to see where your competitors are succeeding and uncover gaps in the market that you can capitalize on. This helps you refine your product strategy by identifying competitor strengths and weaknesses, enabling you to create a more competitive offering. Another key feature is the advanced filter options. SmartScout offers powerful filtering capabilities, such as filtering by product category, price range, review count, and more. This allows you to narrow down your search and find the most relevant products for your business. This saves you time by letting you focus only on the products that meet your specific criteria, whether you're looking for high margin items or low competition niches. Another key feature is the Amazon FBA calculator integration. SmartScout integrates with Amazon's FBA calculator, helping you calculate your potential profits based on fees, shipping costs, and other expenses. This ensures that the products you choose are financially viable for your business. This provides accurate cost and profit estimates to help you make informed decisions about which products to list, ensuring profitability. Another key feature is the product trends and sales data. With SmartScout, you can track product trends over time, including seasonal fluctuations, demand changes, and sales velocity. This helps you stay ahead of market trends and adapt to your product offerings accordingly. This helps you avoid investing in seasonal or declining products while guiding you toward products with sustainable long term demand. So, why is Smart Scout a great choice? Smart Scout stands out as a powerful, all in one tool designed specifically for Amazon sellers. It is tailored to help you make data driven decisions based on real time information and market insights. The platform's ability to combine product research, competitor analysis, and supplier identification in one place makes it a time saver for sellers looking to scale their businesses quickly. What makes Smart Scout truly valuable is its focus on providing detailed, actionable insights, whether you're looking for profitable products or reliable suppliers. Smart Scout eliminates the guesswork and allows you to make informed choices. The platform's easy to use interface ensures that even beginner sellers can access its advanced features without feeling overwhelmed. Additionally, the real time data provided by SmartScout ensures that you can quickly adapt to market trends and make changes to your product offerings on the fly. So basically, if you want to succeed in Amazon selling in 2025, leveraging the right tools is crucial. And Smart Scout offers everything you need to identify winning products, analyze competitors, and find reliable suppliers. Its powerful features like real time market insights, advanced filtering, and supplier search give you a competitive edge in the ever evolving Amazon marketplace. So, by using Smart Scout, you can streamline your product research process, reduce risk, and focus on finding products that align with your business goals. So, whether you're just starting out or looking to scale your Amazon store, Smart Scout provides the data driven insights and tools necessary for growth and profitability. So, start using Smart Scout today to discover profitable products and suppliers and set yourself up for success in 2025 and beyond. So, that's basically it for this video. So, if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.